You ever hop in your car, drive a few minutes to grab coffee, or drop the kids off and think, hey, it's no big deal? Well, spoiler alert, those short trips could be silently murdering your engine. Yup, you heard me right. Today we're diving deep into how those short drives are silently killing your engine, and how to stop it before it's too late. Stick around, because at the end, I will also share bonus tips that will help you to prevent your engine from costly repairs. Firstly, let's understand what is a short trip. It's not just about distance. A short trip happens anytime your engine doesn't have enough time to reach its optimal operating temperature. Engines are designed to operate at a certain temperature, typically around 195 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's discuss why short trips are so bad for your engine. Problem number 1. Condensation buildup. Here's the first issue. Condensation. Think about when you breathe on a cold window, you get fog. Right? Similar thing happens inside your engine. Every time your engine cools down, condensation forms. On longer drives, this moisture evaporates as the engine heats up. But short trips, that moisture stays behind, mixing with your oil and creating sludge. Sludge clogs your oil passages, reduces efficiency, and over time can lead to expensive repairs, or even a complete engine failure. Moisture also promotes rust and corrosion inside the engine, especially on parts like the crankshaft and bearings. I've seen many engines completely destroyed by this stuff. Problem number 2. Poor lubrication. When you start your car, the engine oil is cold and thick. It needs time to flow properly and lubricate all the moving parts. On short trips, the oil doesn't get warm enough to do its job effectively. Without proper lubrication, your engine parts grind against each other, wearing out faster than they should. Problem number 3, incomplete combustion and carbon buildup. Now let's talk about fuel. During short trips, your engine runs rich, meaning it uses more fuel than it should. This leads to incomplete combustion, leaving behind carbon deposits on your spark plugs, valves, and pistons. The result? Rough idling, misfires, and a noticeable drop in power. Problem number 4, check engine light flashing. Still not convinced? Short trips can also trigger your check engine light. Over time, your catalytic converter can get clogged due to unburnt fuel and carbon buildup, leading to expensive repairs. Problem number 5, battery and exhaust wear. Short trips also strain your car's battery and alternator. Starting your car takes a lot of power from battery. The main function of the alternator is to charge the battery while engine is running. If you're not driving long enough to recharge the battery, you'll eventually find yourself stranded with a dead car. Let's talk about your exhaust system. Incomplete combustion during short trips leads to carbon buildup. Over time, this clogs your catalytic converter, hurts fuel efficiency, and costs you more at the pump. All right, so how do you keep your engine healthy? Here are some quick tips. Tip number 1, combine errands into one longer trip to give your engine enough time to warm up. Tip number 2, use synthetic oil. It handles cold starts better than conventional oil and prevents sludge buildup. Tip number 3, drive for at least 15 to 20 minutes to fully warm up the engine. Tip number 4, schedule regular oil changes and check your battery's health frequently. Trust me, these small steps save you big bucks in the long run. Your car is your trusty sidekick. It deserves a little TLC. Treat it right, and it'll stick with you for the long haul. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car-saving tips, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it.